The St Fergus gas terminal receives and processes gas from over 20 North Sea fields, accounting for 15% of the UK's daily gas requirements. In the 1980s, Total installed its very first control system using a Taylor Mod 300 distributed control system. By 2007, this system was reaching the end of its useful life. The Model B controllers used by the system were dated and therefore costly to maintain. While the Mod 300 had never let Total down, technology had moved on and the company needed the reassurance of an ultra-reliable system that would carry it forward for the next 20 years. The answer lay here with ABB's extended automation system known as 800XA. Launched in 2004, 800XA is an award-winning system that has proven itself in over 4,000 critical installations across the oil and gas, chemical and other process industries. System 800XA extends the scope of traditional control systems by including automation, electrical and safety functions in a single operational and engineering environment. It allows users to combine data from traditionally disparate automation-related applications into a single integrated information view in real time to facilitate business decisions and actions to maximize productivity. This enables plants to run smarter and better at substantial cost savings, since productivity and profitability improvements can be identified more effectively.
The reasons for using an 800XA system on this project was the fact that we could easily transport the existing system database from the Mod 300. This meant that there was no requirement to do any additional commissioning as we transferred the loops from the old system to the new.
While the 800XA is the heart and soul of the system, it is important that the operators have the very best human-machine interface available, integrating automation, asset management and CCTV. Enter ABB's Extended Operator Workplace, or EOW, incorporating a 2.2-meter wide contoured high-resolution screen, as well as an array of flat-screen monitors. The EOW is designed to enhance the operator's working environment and effectiveness. It does this through features that reduce fatigue and extend the operator's range of control and understanding. It is recognized throughout the industry that a lot of lost production is down to operators not having the right information to make the right decisions quickly. The EOW gives operators superb vision of the whole process and is particularly useful in handling crisis situations, allowing total vision of all the most critical information at a glance. ABB undertook an initial feed study in March 2006. This confirmed the system as having 2,400 hardwired signals, 1,000 Modbus signals and 1,200 OPC signals, all of which were to be upgraded whilst maintaining gas feed to the UK gas distribution network. The upgrade contract was awarded in October 2006. The newer ABB controllers were chosen to enable a direct database and sequence transfer from the existing Mod 300 system, thus reducing application software build and commissioning timescales. As part of the 800XA Evolution support for Mod 300 customers, screens both for operators and engineers similar to those used on the existing system are provided, reducing disruption, training requirements and the possibility of errors. Site work began in March 2007 with the installation of a site-wide fibre optic redundant communication network and interconnecting cabling ready for the new automation system delivery in August 2007. The system was engineered, built and factory acceptance tested at the ABB factory in St Neots. Following customer acceptance, delivery was made to site during August 2007.
Most of the people involved in the project at St Neots then followed the system to site for the initial customer acceptance testing, followed by plant commissioning. This was a huge advantage because we had the expertise and the experience of testing and all of the initial design carried forward onto site. Therefore, people were much more comfortable with both the system from both the customer and from the ABB perspective.
The highlight of the project for me was that in my 23 years at St Fergus, this has been the most professional and efficient project that I've been involved in. And on top of that, because of the mutual respect and good working relationship between both parties, the work was actually carried out in quite a relaxed atmosphere.
So, armed with the latest technology, the third and final ingredient to a successful transition is teamwork. And nowhere was this better demonstrated than during the critical switchover from the old Mod 300 system to the 800XA. Due to the nature of the process, it was a requirement for the change-out to be performed online, without closing down any part of the plant. It involves introducing another backbone while the system is still working, and then transfer control from one to the other. This concept is known as a hot changeover.
The proof really of the relationship was how the job was completed. The job was completed with 95% of the transfer being done with the plant online. The transfers were completed with no safety incidents, no plant unexpected trips. It was completed on schedule and also on budget. So it was really an excellent performance by all involved.
The project went incredibly well from a total perspective. We managed to carry out all of the transfers completely safely and with no impact on production or the environment.
To achieve a successful hot changeover meant that all parties involved in the project had to be working extremely closely together. Detailed planning was essential between Total, ABB and the installation company E-Force. This project demonstrates how ABB supports its existing customers with their evolution policy, allowing existing users to migrate to new technology seamlessly. It shows how ABB has addressed the need for plant management to reduce and, in fact, improve productivity of their assets. Similarly, how with ABB, 800XA and the EOW lead in the integration of automation, electrical control, power management and telecom solutions to reduce energy usage and improve productivity.